today is a very exciting day. I have finally received my 1 Bitcoin that I ordered on eBay from China. And it took approximately a month to arrive, and it arrived in this very unassuming package, like a bubble wrap envelope. On it there are some information, like it says that it weighs 25 grams and that the value is 0.5 US dollars or 50 cents, which is obviously not true. At the time of recording this, the value is $5,600. So it's just a mild underestimation. So when we open this envelope, we have another small bag and the physical Bitcoin in it. One Bitcoin in gold. And the reverse looks like electronics. Very funky. And if you want to spend 5,000, 6,000, whatever thousand, 10,000, depending on what's the price, if you want to spend a big chunk of money on Bitcoin, for God's sake, why don't you buy physical, like I have done? At least when you buy physical, you actually can feel it, touch it, you feel the weight. You know that that the money, that your hard-earned money went somewhere. Obviously, when it comes to selling, it's quite difficult. You have to literally, physically take it with you and hop on a flight to America or wherever in EU where there's some Bitcoin exchange and bring this in, or to your local antique shop, and you cannot sell like half of it. Like you cannot divide it, or if you divide it, you kind of ruined it. But you actually can feel it in your hands, feel your money. And I think I'll be ordering a bunch more, so I can take these generic press photos that these websites do when they want like a generic picture for an article regarding Bitcoin. They stack a bunch of these and do some macro shots, close-up shots, and sometimes they like have a backdrop of fiat money, like this. Do a close-up. Oh, come on. Yeah, my cat really likes it. So yeah, that's what you get. That's how it arrives if you order physical, real Bitcoin from China. And your cat will be thankful.